Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is AWS S3 Cross-Region Replication. So let us start. Create bucket. Let's create first bucket in Mumbai region and provide its name as Mumbai bucket. Mumbai bucket. Unblock all public accesses. Enable versioning and create bucket. In the same way, create one more bucket. Let's create next bucket in Singapore region. Provide the bucket name as Singapore bucket. Unblock all public accesses. Enable versioning and create bucket. Let's go to Mumbai bucket. Go to management. Here we can see replicas rule. We have to create replica rule. Provide the replica rule as replica 1. Then apply to all objects in the bucket. Choose a bucket in this account. Let's choose it. Singapore bucket. Choose path. Create new role. Then all are default. Then save it. Submit. We can see here one replica 1 is created here. Let's go to our buckets. In Mumbai bucket we can see there is no any objects. In the same way in Singapore bucket we can see there is no objects. So let's go to the Mumbai bucket and upload one object. I'm using Amazon S3 replication.png file. Let's open it and upload it. You can see that it is successfully uploaded. Close it. Move to the Singapore bucket. We can see here is no buckets available. Let's refresh it once more. We can see that Amazon S3 replication.png file is already exist here and is copied from the Mumbai region. In this way we can replicate our S3 data from one bucket to another bucket.